Positive curiosity. Let's get curious and discover science together.
In a peaceful forest full of chirping birds and rustling trees, there lived a curious little bear named Benny, a wise old turtle named Tessa, and a playful squirrel named Sam. One sunny afternoon, they played near the stream, laughing and splashing in the cool water. Suddenly, the sky started to turn gray. Benny looked up with wide eyes as he noticed something strange. Before long, soft drops of water began to fall. Benny the bear said,
"It's raining."
Sam the squirrel asked,
But why does it rain?
Tessa the turtle, with a knowing smile, began to tell them a story.
The sun shines down on rivers, lakes, and oceans. When the sun shines on the water, it turns warm and makes tiny drops of water float up into the sky. These tiny drops of water gather together in the sky and form clouds. The clouds are made of all the little drops floating together. And when the clouds get too full of water, the water falls back to the ground as rain, helping the trees, flowers, and animals.
The three friends smiled and laughed as they jumped in the puddles.
Rain is good.
Benny said, realizing how helpful it was for the forest. From that day on, Benny and Sam remembered the story of the water rising into the sky and falling back down to help the forest. And they loved the rain, knowing it was a gift from the clouds.